this might be the first AI browser that actually thinks before you do. It understands what you're trying to do even before you ask it. You see, I opened the random page and it already told me what the page was about. And, I didn't even click anything. It just helped me. And here is the crazy part. It did not track me. It did not interrupt me with, ads, pop-ups, and all those crazy stuff. See, I know you love Gemini. I know you love, Google's AI. I know you love Claude. I know you love OpenAI. You love ChatGPT. But imagine having all these things built into your browser. So instead of having to switch tabs, the AI already knows what you are browsing, helps you with what you're browsing, gives you whatever you need. All right. This browser is called New Browser, the first AI native browser on the planet Earth as I speak to you currently. Okay, so this is Neo's website, all right? So no matter the browser you're using, if it's Opera Mini, Safari, Google Chrome, whatever browser you're using, all you just need to do is just to come here and search for neobrowser.ai. Just type in this URL and it shows you a page like this. All right, so this is the website. Neo Browser is a Newton browser. So Newton is the company that owns one of the most popular antivirus softwares. All right, they are the ones that made this browser, and that's why you see they are very assured. They are assuring you with all trust that you would browse in peace. All right, so this is their website. So all you just need to do is just to come over to this download now or download new, and you just download this software. All right, and you install it on your PC. Now, I already installed it on my PC, so I'm going to go ahead to show you how it works. So I'm going to open it. So when you open up Neo, this is like what the interface looks like. And as you can see, it's giving you this energy of a Claude and ChatGPT put together. It's really, really awesome. All right, so at this point, what you just need to do is just to begin your work. Begin either your search, either your browsing, whatever it is you are working on. So an example now, let's say I want to get an iPhone 16 Pro Max. I don't know if there's an iPhone 16 Pro Max anyway, so let me just do iPhone 16 Pro. All right, so I'm going to click on search. So of course the AI this software still uses Google search. All right, Google search engine. However, there's so much more it does. One of the features I'm going to show you first is the preview. Now, sometimes it will be very, very annoying when you're doing a research work to have to open all the tabs. You have to start opening all the tabs. No, this particular AI browser allows you to peek. They call it peek, to peek into a browser or into a tab, before you now make the decision if to open it fully or not. Let me give you an example. So when I come over this this search option, all right, I can hover over it and I'll see an icon here, the new icon. Then I can choose to select peek. So peek gives me a view of what the page looks like. So I can now decide to hover, scroll through, see if I can find my deals. Is this deal the best deal for me? And if I'm satisfied, I can now decide to open it fully. If not, I can close it and continue what I'm doing. So you see, it saves you time, gives you a clarity on what you're working on and removes the cluster from your tabs. That's like one of the beautiful features of this new. However, I can also summarize a page. So if let's say I open up GSM Arena, all right, and I want to get a summary of this page, all I just need to do is just to come to this new chart, all right, and I'm going to ask you to, I can even just go to this slash key, this snippet, and I ask it to summarize, all right, and it's going to summarize this page for me. All right, it's a very fantastic software. It's going to summarize this page for me, give me context. I can ask further questions. I can even ask it, do you think they have a discount code, or can you find me the iPhone 16 Pro discount codes, current discount code? And it's going to find me the best current discount code for this iPhone 16 Pro. And this is something that will take you hours on Google Chrome. This is something that will take you hours on Opera Mini. I'm going to show you something else. All right, this AI browser also allows you to generate images. I know this is, maybe let's say you're trying to create a new social media account, and you notice that, oh, I need to create an image. You don't have to start switching tabs. with this new browser, you can just simply come to the charts, all right? Come to the snippets, all right? You can just create me an image, or you can even just click here, upload a reference image, and just come here and just click on search and just click on create me an image of a flying car. All right, you just click on enter and let's see what it gives us. So the new browser, let me not even call it the browser, the new AI. The new AI gives you an image of a flying car. You see that? It gives you an image of a flying car. Super interesting. And all your searches history is saved. Okay, so this is how you can find all your images. Of course, you don't have to do so much. Just come to a new tab. All right, I already opened one here. Just click on a new tab, then you can see your chat history. Now the chat history is different from your browser history. All right, if you're looking for your browser history, you can do that here. You can see all your browser history. But if you're looking for your chat history, the history that the chats you had with the AI, this is where you can find them. This is where you can find your browser history, and this is also where you can find your image history, all the galleries, all the images you've created. And when you want to download an image, you just simply come here and you save to your desktop. All right, this is like having everything in one browser. All right, then I'm going to show you another feature of this new AI browser. Right, this is the feature that we call smart grouping. Okay, so this is how the smart group tagging works. This is how it works. So if you want to turn it on, you can just come here, smart tab grouping, and then let me show you how it works. So let's say I want to buy an iPod. So I'll just search iPod 7th generation, and it opens up this page. All right. So if I click on this Apple support, like if I click to go to this Apple page, watch what happens. Just observe what's going to happen on this tab. You see, it automatically goes into this technology tab. You understand? So it helps you organize your work. All right. So if I'm doing education research, I'm doing work research, I don't even need to drag and drop on the tab. It automatically just pushes everything to where it belongs. So you have a very clean tab management. All right. I'm also going to show you another feature another new feature, which is the email response. So this is my email. All right. And let me just look for an email to open. So let me open the certification email. So with NeoChat, I can simply just ask Neo to help me reply these guys. So Neo already understands the concept or the content of the email. Now, mind you, the privacy is secure, so you don't have to worry about Neo spying on you or reading your emails. No, it just layers on the text. Now, if you notice, it's really giving what are the benefits of obtaining a product management certification. It's giving me this feedback based on the content of my email. So I can decide to just ask to reply, just respond to this email. So when I give it this prompt, it just gives me a feedback based on the context of this email. All right. It says, I've drafted a response to Chico expressing your interest in the PM training and asking for more details. Would you like me to send it? So I mean, I've not even seen the email. All right. But let's see how it goes. So let me just click on continue. Let me see. All right. See. Okay, you see? It says, I'm afraid I encountered an error while trying to send the email because I don't have the necessary permissions to access your Gmail. All right, to fix this. Okay, but of course, it gave me the text. So what I can now do is just to copy and respond. It's very, I mean, I'm blown away by this new AI browser, and it's very fascinating. Let me give you one more feature. All right, so this feature is the chat memory. So Neo is powered by your memory. So that means that every single time I'm on this platform, I'm chatting, I'm working, it saves the memory. It understands what I've been doing, why I've been doing it, and all of that. So when I come back next time, it can read what is already happening. All right. So as you can see, when you go to the AI mode, you can see your memories. You can see manage memories. You can even import memories. So let's say you have the chat history with ChatGPT. or Claude, you just simply can import the memory here and continue as though nothing has changed. So this is literally what there's so much I can't even cover on this browser, but it is you having everything AI inside one space. All right. I know you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a subscribe. Make sure to leave a thumbs up. Make sure to drop a comment so that I'll bring more videos like this to you. All right. Thank you and see you in the next video. Cheers.